This 2021 Alliance RV Paradigm 340RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, DVD player, skylight, microwave, oven, TV, LP detector, water heater, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Alliance RV Paradigm 340RL is 13,189 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.